Okay. As we say, monocytes is eosinophil, basophil, neutrophil, lymphocyte, white blood cells. All these members of leukocytes and member of immunology or immunity system. Leukocytes. What we have, it is different with the blood RBCs, blood cells. They have a nuclei and no hemoglobin. Two groups, granulocytes and granulocytes, agranulocytes. Some of them has granules, others like monocyte and lymphocyte, they don't have. The granulocytes, neutrophils, have eosinophil or basophil. Agranulocytes, as I said, is monocytes and lymphocytes. We can go through the function of leukocytes. It's involved in the immune response and identification and targeting of pathogen, disease causing organisms. Look, leukocytes, it is act another function to phagocytic cell. We can call it a phagocytic cells and lymphocyte as well. Phagocytes, who will react as a phagocyte cells? It is a monocytes and neutrophil. Phagocytes generate non-specific immune response. We call it innate immunity. They can become macrophage, travel through the blood, and reach the infection of the blood. Phagocyte, as I said before, neutrophil, eosinophil, basophil, and monocyte. We can go through function of them. For example, lymphocytes, it is divided to T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes. A natural killer cell that's involved with the cancer and the other problems in the body. Lymphocytes include, as I said, B and T cells. B cells, the function of the B cells, it is destroy and produce antibody. How can it destroy the pathogens? They produce antibodies to the blood, and it is surrounded and arrest the pathogen. When the pathogen arrested by like the collapse or this thing in the with the prisoner, they make like first, and then the other cells will attack the pathogens and dissolve. Antibodies are specific to antigen, protein motifs on invading pathogen, eosinophil and basophil. What is the function of eosinophil? It is like the subject of there with the allergy. It's deal with the allergy and with the infection with the parasites. When we see the percentage of eosinophil and basophil rising in the blood, that means the parasite infection happened in the to the body. Here we can see the process of phagocytes. Look, every bacteria has, why we say antigen factor on the cell membrane of the bacteria. This that can perform as a message to the body. There is something foreign enter to the body. Here, here we can see what the antibodies. The antibodies, as I said, make plasma collapse to arrest the bacteria in this area. Afterwards, the phagocytes will release from the cells, and the phagolysosomes will as well release from the phagocytes. That means it is exocytosis make, and then surround with the pathogen and dissolved by these enzymes in the body, lysozymes and the phagosomes that make all this pathogen released and destroyed to the particles. The process, it is yani same as we saw before, like that. Look, this the cells, all these receptor on the cells, the normal cells. These receptors will go up of the membrane on the surface of the cell. This will deal with the pathogen that enter to the body. Then they make like pseudopod to surround the pathogen and dissolve and enter to the cell. Phagocytosis. We finish with the phagocytosis. Look, this is the M1 macrophage that I studied in the UK on the immunology and the M1, M2 macrophages, long time. So I'm very expertise. I'm familiar with this process. Okay, we studied before cells, the blood cells, RBCs, and leukocytes. Now we go through to the plasma. We can have break and then we'll continue, or you want to continue?
As you like.
Up to you. Break.